lecture, science nerds, and today we will be doing opening Ryan's egg!
Opening Ryan's egg. So it's not really a science experiment, but we don't just do science experiments on this channel, right, Edge?
Yeah, because remember, we showed the magna-tiles.
Yeah. We did dominoes. We did a lot of other stuff on your channel.
Yeah, that was not science.
Yeah, it's right.
Like that, Colac one.
Exactly. You did that one with Mommy too. That was pretty
Yeah.
cool. So yeah, for today we are opening a Ryan's World mini mystery egg. Where did we buy it at?
Target.
We bought it at Target. All right, let's see what we get in the egg. If you need help, just ask Daddy.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Hopefully we'll see some cool goodies in this egg.
Ooh, there's 3 egg compartments.
Oh, there are?
Yeah.
All right, well, why don't you open it and show everybody?
I mean, there's 4 egg compartments.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and open it now?
This is just trash. I'll be right back.
Okay. Edge will be right back. Here he comes. All right, go ahead and open it.
I need help.
You need help? Oh, there you go. You got the first layer. All right, why don't you open that now?
Dad, that can help me.
Bring it here.
Scissors.
You don't need scissors.
It's like the panda cookie
There,
bag.
go over there. Yeah, it's like the panda cookies that you like to eat, the same bags. All right, what'd you get in there?
I got action figures combo.
Oh, why don't you come over here closer to the camera so people can see?
It's combo.
Over here. It's combo. Can you show them?
It's one
over
of
here.
Ryan's friends.
Oh, okay, cool. Why
I
don't you?
don't know what the combo's wearing.
Why don't you go ahead and open the rest of the egg?
That was super cool though.
That was super cool.
It's like a mystery.
Oh, you got more.
I got a big one.
You got a big one. Yeah.
It's just trash.
You can throw the trash away later. You can throw the trash away later. Okay. All right. Here comes Edge again. He insists on throwing the trash after every single opening. Do you need me to open that? Are you sure? Here, I can open it.
No, I need my scissors.
You want to get your scissors? But that's gonna take too long, Edge. Okay.
Daddy just can't open it.
You couldn't find your scissors, huh?
Yeah.
So just hand it to me next time. Go ahead and show everybody what you got in there.
It's Ryan.
It's Ryan. Can you come closer to the camera and show everybody? Put it right here. Wow, it's Ryan. All right, is there anything else left in the egg? Is there anything left in the egg?
Yeah.
One more? Okay. Oh, what's that?
And Putty.
Oh, it's Putty. Wow. Do you need me to open it? Okay, let's see here. How am I going to open this?
Let's see what color it is.
Oh, here we go.
Hope it's not white.
Yeah, let's hope it's a cool I think it's blue. All right, here you go. Go ahead and open it in front of your audience.
Putty. What's the putty?
Do you need help? Is it squeezed in there a bit too much?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, here it is. Let's not take it out just yet. We'll do that in another video, but you could show them from there.
Red.
Oh, okay, cool.
I think white though.
All right, so, and you got 2 action figures and Putty. Is there anything you want to tell your audience before we end the video?
Yeah, I also got tattoos
Oh,
and the sticker.
Cool. Why don't you bring the stickers and tattoos here real quick so you could show everybody. Wow, cool. All right, Edgy. Was there anything else?
Wait.
They see it. All right. Anything else you want to tell your audience before we end the video?
Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye, and thank you for